In this video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the most useful accessories you can get for your smart glasses in 2026. Because once you start using these glasses more often, you quickly realize there are a few things that make the experience way better. Whether it's comfort upgrades, charging solutions, lens options, or even small accessories that make everyday use a little easier, there are actually a lot of really amazing additions out there right now. Today, we're covering some of these accessories that are genuinely worth checking out. Let's begin. Now, one of the first accessories people usually look into is a small LED privacy blocker for the front indicator light. On smart glasses, there's typically a small LED that shows when recording is active, but depending on the environment you're in, that light can feel a bit more noticeable than expected. In quiet or low light settings, or even just in casual day-to-day situations, some users prefer that indicator to be less visually distracting while still keeping the glasses fully functional. This is where a small LED privacy blocker comes in. It's usually a simple cover or insert that sits over the indicator area and slightly reduces how visible the light is from certain angles. The important thing here is that it doesn't interfere with how the glasses operate at all. It doesn't stop recording, it doesn't change performance, it simply adjusts how obvious that visual cue appears externally. For some people, it's more about personal preference than necessity. They're comfortable with the default setup and the visible indicator, while others prefer a slightly more subtle look when the glasses are being used in different environments throughout the day. It's one of those small adjustments that doesn't change the core experience of the device, but can make it feel a bit more aligned with how someone personally prefers to use their tech, especially if they value a more discreet overall appearance without affecting functionality in any way. Another thing that tends to matter more the longer you actually wear smart glasses is how they sit on your face. Even small pressure points around the nose bridge can start to become noticeable over time, especially if you're using them for extended periods, and in some cases that slight discomfort can build up gradually during the day. That's where silicone nose cushions come in handy. They're basically small soft add-ons that sit on the nose bridge area and slightly adjust how the glasses rest against your face. Instead of the frame pressing directly in the same spots, the cushions help spread out the contact points a bit more evenly. The result is a more balanced feel that can reduce that constant pressure some people experience with extended wear. It's a very subtle adjustment, but in real use, those small differences can matter more than expected. For people who already like the glasses but feel like they become slightly noticeable after an hour or two, this is one of those quiet comfort upgrades that improves the experience without really changing how anything looks or functions externally. It's not something that draws attention or changes the appearance of the device, but it helps the wearing experience feel a bit more relaxed and less distracting over time. Once comfort starts feeling sorted out with things like better nose support, the next thing people usually start paying attention to is how the glasses actually perform in different situations. And that's where lens customization becomes a more meaningful upgrade. Instead of sticking with just the default lenses, a lot of users move toward replacement options depending on how they use their smart glasses day to day. Some go for prescription lenses so the device can fully replace their regular eyewear, while others switch between polarized or tinted lenses depending on lighting conditions. There are also blue light filtering options that tend to appeal to people who spend long hours on screens and want a bit more visual ease throughout the day. What makes this step interesting is that it shifts the glasses from being a fixed setup to something you can actually adapt. So rather than one consistent use case, it starts to fit into different parts of your routine more naturally. After sorting out how the glasses feel and how the lenses adapt to different needs, another practical angle people often run into is outdoor use. Because in real everyday situations, lighting changes quickly and constantly switching between setups isn't always convenient. This is where magnetic clip-on shades come in. They're essentially lightweight attachments that sit over the existing lenses and instantly shift the glasses into a more sun-friendly setup. It's a simple idea, but it saves you from needing a full lens swap or carrying a separate pair of sunglasses. For people who move between indoor and outdoor environments throughout the day, it's a more flexible way to handle changing light conditions without overcomplicating things. It doesn't change the core function of the glasses, it just adds a layer of adaptability when brightness becomes an issue. Once you start using smart glasses regularly, one of the small but noticeable things you'll deal with is where they sit when you're not wearing them. It sounds simple, but how you store and charge them actually affects how convenient they feel day to day and how long they tend to last. A charging stand solves that in a very straightforward way. Instead of leaving the glasses in a case or loosely on a surface, the stand gives you a fixed place where they rest and charge at the same time. Most of these setups are designed to be minimal, so they don't take up much space on a desk or nightstand. It also makes the routine a bit more consistent. You're not searching for cables or wondering if they're charging properly, you just place them down and they stay ready for the next use. It's a small upgrade, but one that makes the overall experience feel more organized and ready to go. Honestly, one of the more practical limitations with smart glasses is that, like most wearable tech, battery life can become noticeable depending on how heavily you use them. And while charging usually happens when they're off your face, there are situations where that isn't always convenient. That's where a wearable charging cable setup becomes useful. It's designed in a way that allows the glasses to stay powered while still being worn, usually by connecting to a portable power source like a power bank. It's not something you'd use all the time, but in specific cases it makes a real difference. For example, during long walks, travel days, or extended recording sessions, it helps reduce interruptions. Instead of stopping to charge and take them off, you can just continue using them while keeping the battery topped up in the background. It's a more situational accessory, but for heavy users, it can be surprisingly practical. Another simple but highly practical accessory that fits naturally into everyday smart glasses use is a carrying strap or neck cord system. This is essentially a lightweight attachment that connects to both sides of the glasses and allows them to hang securely around your neck when you're not wearing them. Instead of placing them in a case every single time or setting them down on random surfaces, the neck cord keeps them within easy reach while still keeping them safe. In real-world use, this becomes especially useful during short breaks throughout the day. For example, when you step into a shop, pause during a walk, or switch between tasks, you don't always want to store the glasses fully away. The neck cord gives you a middle option. They stay with you, but they're not actively on your face. Instead of repeating the cycle of case storage and retrieval, the strap keeps everything more fluid and accessible. Overall, it's a very straightforward accessory, but one that quietly improves convenience and reduces the risk of accidental loss during everyday use. Another practical upgrade people often look into has to do with how secure the glasses feel during movement. Even though smart glasses are generally designed to sit comfortably on the face, ear hooks or small stability grip add-ons are designed for exactly that. They typically sit around the temple area and extend slightly behind the ears, helping to anchor the glasses more securely in place. Instead of relying only on the natural fit of the frame, these accessories add an extra point of support that helps reduce slipping or shifting during movement. It's not something that changes the design or feel of the glasses in a dramatic way, but it subtly improves how consistent the fit feels throughout the day. Rather than having to adjust them repeatedly, they tend to stay in position more reliably once properly set. For people who are always on the move or who simply prefer a more locked-in feel, this is a simple way to make the overall wearing experience feel more dependable without interfering with normal use or adding any complexity to how the glasses function. Battery management is one of those things that cannot be overemphasized, especially if you rely on them for long stretches during the day. We've already looked at two very convenient accessories that make charging easier, but this accessory takes a very different approach. Instead of thinking of them as something you charge once in a while, it quickly turns into a routine of topping them up whenever they're not in use. That's why the charging case and the on-the-go charging setup plays such an important role. For most smart glasses, the case isn't just storage. It also doubles as the main charging solution. So whenever you're done using them, placing them back in the case automatically starts restoring battery life. And if you're someone who travels or spends a lot of time outdoors, pairing that case with a portable power source makes the whole setup even more flexible. You're not really planning around the battery anymore. It just becomes something that stays managed in the background without much effort. Beyond everyday use, protection becomes something worth considering, especially if you're someone who carries your smart glasses around frequently or just wants to avoid unnecessary wear over time. While most smart glasses already come with a basic carrying case, a hard shell protective case offers a more reinforced layer of safety. Instead of just providing soft storage, it's built with a more rigid outer structure that helps absorb impact from drops, pressure, or general travel handling. Inside, these cases are usually designed with molded or padded compartments that keep the glasses firmly in place, so they don't shift around when you're moving from one location to another. That added stability inside the case reduces the chances of scratches or accidental damage when it's packed inside a bag with other items. Some versions also come with zipper closures and compact designs, making them easy to carry without taking up much space. It's not something that changes how you use the glasses directly, but it plays a big role in how well they're preserved over time. This is one of those quiet upgrades that reduces risk without adding any complexity to the actual user experience. One small but surprisingly useful accessory that often gets overlooked is a precision screwdriver kit, especially for people using smart glasses regularly or any kind of eyewear on a daily basis. Over time, tiny adjustments can sometimes become necessary, whether it's tightening a slightly loose hinge, fixing minor frame movement, or making small corrections after frequent use. These things don't usually happen all at once, but gradually, as the glasses are worn and handled repeatedly in different situations throughout the day. This is where a compact eyewear repair kit becomes useful. It usually includes very small precision screwdrivers designed specifically for delicate hardware like glasses frames, along with a few basic maintenance tools depending on the kit. The focus is not on heavy repair work, but on small adjustments that help keep everything feeling stable and properly fitted. It's not something you'll use every day, and in most cases, you might even forget you have it until a situation comes up where it's actually needed. But when that moment does arrive, it becomes a very convenient backup to have on hand instead of needing to visit a repair shop or dealing with loose fittings for a while. But it supports their longevity and helps keep everything in proper condition over time without much effort. At this point, once you're using smart glasses regularly, maintenance becomes one of those small things that quietly affects the overall experience more than you'd expect, as you wouldn't want the lens looking all blurry. A basic cleaning kit or set of lens wipes helps keep both the lenses and the camera area clear, especially since fingerprints, dust, and small smudges tend to build up pretty quickly with daily use. And because smart glasses rely so much on visual clarity and camera output, even a slight layer of dirt can make things feel less sharp than they should be. Most cleaning kits usually include microfiber cloths, alcohol-free lens solutions, and disposable wipes that are designed specifically for delicate surfaces like eyewear. The key point here is that they clean without scratching or damaging any coating on the lenses. It doesn't change how the glasses function, but it directly affects how they perform in real-world use, especially in different lighting conditions where clarity matters more. Even the camera output can look noticeably better when the lenses are properly maintained. For most people, it becomes part of a simple routine, a quick wipe before or after use, just to keep everything feeling fresh without much effort. It's not a flashy upgrade, but it's one of those practical accessories that quietly supports the overall experience when the glasses are being worn consistently throughout the day. Another simple but interesting accessory that people sometimes overlook is anti-slip wax, often used for eyewear to help improve grip during everyday wear. It's typically a small stick or balm-like product that you apply lightly to the nose bridge or contact points where the glasses sit on your face. The idea is pretty straightforward here. Instead of adding physical attachments or changing the design of the glasses, the wax increases friction between your skin and the frame. That small adjustment helps reduce sliding, especially if you're someone who deals with oily skin, sweat, or long hours of continuous wear. You just apply a small amount, and it creates a slightly tackier surface that keeps the frame more stable during movement. Most versions are made from skin-safe, non-irritating materials like beeswax blends, and they're designed to work quietly in the background without affecting how the glasses look or function. For smart glasses users specifically, it can be useful in situations where you're walking around a lot or using them for extended periods. It's not a flashy upgrade, but it's one of those subtle comfort fixes that improves the overall wearing experience without adding any bulk or complexity. So that's a look at some of the most useful accessories you can consider if you're using smart glasses right now. At the end of the day, the best smart glasses setup usually comes from fixing the small annoyances you notice after using them for a while. And most of these accessories exist for exactly that reason. Which of these accessories would you actually consider picking up or trying out for yourself? And of course, if there's any accessory you've tried with your smart glasses that wasn't mentioned here, feel free to share it in the comments. Finally, if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.